Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's grade 12 lesson is on sequences and series. Today we'll be solving sum to infinity given sigma notation, and that sign that you see there shows that we are dealing with sum to infinity. And this one again, instead of finding first three terms, we actually only need first two terms to get the R value. Right, the infinity sign says that we are dealing with a converging geometric series. Right, so problem number one, they say calculate the value, or they can say evaluate. For k is equal to 1 and it goes to infinity, we have 7 times 4, 2 minus k. So again, we just need the first two terms, but I'll follow the procedure by finding the first three terms. So term 1, in the place of k, I place 1. 2 minus 1 gives me 1, and 4 times 7 then gives me 28. Term 2, in the place of k, I have 2, so 2 minus 2 gives me 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1, and 1 times 7 then becomes 7. Then we have 3, so k is 3, so 2 minus 3, which then becomes a minus 1. To make it negative 1, 4 to the power negative 1 positive, I have to take it to the bottom of the division line to become positive, so therefore it becomes 7 over 4. Alright, so from what's given, A is 28, R is term 2 divided by term 1, so 7 divided by 28 equal 1 over 4, right? And because it's a fraction and it lies between 1 and negative 1, meaning it's less than 1 and bigger than minus 1, we know we can calculate sum to infinity because it is converging. All right, so sum to infinity equation reads A, 1 minus R, A being 28, R being 1 over 4. 1 minus 1 over 4 gives me 3 over 4, so I have 28 divided by 3 over 4. If I change division to multiplication, that becomes 28 over 1 times 4 over 3. Remember, we flip the bottom fraction when you change division to multiplication, so I have 28 times 4, 3 times 1, and if I simplify this, it becomes 37, 1 over 3, or if you want to, you can go write it as a decimal fraction. Right, so I hope you follow. You see there how we calculate sum to infinity. I'm going to do another one. Problem number 2, they say determine sum to infinity given n equal to 4 to infinity, 2 times 5, 6 minus n. So yeah, my first term actually starts by n equal to 4. So if I put 4 in, that n there becomes 4. 6 minus 4 would give me 2. 5 to the power 2 is 25 times 2 gives me 15. After 4, I'm moving to term 5. So that will give me 6 minus 5, which gives me 1. 5 times 2 then, which gives me 10. Right? So from here, my A equal to 50, and my R 10 divided by 50, which then gives me 1 over 5 if I simplify. Again, 1 over 5 is less than 1 and greater than minus 1. Therefore, I know I'm dealing with a converging series, so I can find sum to infinity. So sum to infinity equal A, 1 minus R, right? A equal 50, R equal 1 over 5, so 1 minus 1 over 5, which then gives me 4 over 5. Right, change division to multiplication and flip the bottom fraction, so that becomes times 5 over 4. 50 times 5 gives me 250 divided by 4. So sum to infinity equal 250 over 4. Right, so I hope you follow, hope we together. Wish you nothing but the best. Remember, your efforts will be rewarded. God always rewards hard work. All right, don't give up on yourself. You can do this. God bless. Bye.